Hey there, surf fishing fans. I was wondering where you got off to, but hey, while you're here, might as well make a video. And how about surf fishing with cut bait? One of my favorite techniques. We can talk about the bait I use and the rigs I use, and let's get started right now. If you want to catch larger fish more often, cut bait is your bait of choice. I prefer ladyfish, bluefish, Spanish mackerel, Atlantic mackerel, bunker. You take those fish, you cut them into a 1-inch or a 2-inch section, place it on an inline circle hook, toss it out into the surf, and hold on. You know, there's been days out surf fishing when, fresh shrimp or fish bites, fish gum, sand fleas, none of it just seemed to work. One trick you may want to try is take a hardhead catfish, fillet it out, take those fillets and cut a strip off about the size of my finger here. Put that strip on your high-low rig, your pompano rig, your mortician rig, whatever you like to use, and throw that out in the surf. There have been days when that's the only thing they would hit was a fillet of cut bait. Hey, if you would like to try to fish a strip of cut bait on a mortician rig but don't know how to tie a mortician rig, at the end of this video I'm going to post a step-by-step, it's approximately a 6-minute video on how to tie the mortician rig. But when I'm fishing chunk bait, whether it's a fish head or a chunk of the body, I use a fish finder rig. I prefer a fish finder rig that uses this sliding snap here, this braid right here. This is my main line going up to my rod. Here's my fish finder with a pyramid sinker. I also like to use Sputnik sinkers. A bead that protects my knot from my fish finder. A barrel swivel, monofilament, and I use anything from 10-pound to 60-pound. Length depends on clarity of the water and how far I want to cast. The shorter the leader is, the farther you can cast. The longer the leader is, the farther away your bait's going to be from your sinker. So it's kind of a balancing act there. And that's it. Fish finder rig. It's what I use 90% of the time when fishing cut bait. Well, as promised, here's a couple of videos for you to check out. The top one is how to tie the mortician rig. The bottom one is 3 mistakes that surf anglers make. And until next time, take somebody fishing with you so they can enjoy this awesome sport of ours. I'm Mr. Dave, out.